Hashtag Brian. Just kidding. Brian had to take someone else out this morning. He already had plans too. So I slept in. Now I'm gonna try and strike up a mid-morning bird. See what happens. Going on, everyone. It is May 3rd. Third day going out. Yesterday I slept in and only went out for a little while. And there was no birds. None. So I didn't get time to scout last night, so I have no clue if there's any birds tonight or today. Probably not. They seem like they've all disappeared. A week ago I couldn't spit in any direction and not see a bird. But now I can't pay to find a bird, so I don't know. So we're going to where there were birds before season started. Again, where we first sat opening morning. And we're sitting out of the woods, kind of on the field edge, so we can hear all the way around. There's no wind today, so if there is one anywhere, we'll hear it and then make a move on it. So yeah, that's the plan. Brian's coming. This time he's going to be kind of running the camera. I mean, it's going to be set up next to me because he doesn't quite know how to run all the settings. And yeah, from there, hopefully I'll get my first bird of the season. We got Brian's. That video should be coming out soon. Shoot, that reminds me, I forgot to send that out today. I got to send it down to Ray. But yeah, should hopefully be a decent day. It's nice weather. It's about 55 degrees and no wind, so if I was a turkey, I'd be out strutting my stuff in this, so we'll see what happens. Making moves. There's a bird gobbling a long ways away, but in a spot we can get to. There's nothing where we started, so we're making moves. Borderline running. And I'm not in shape for this. We're just about where we're getting to, and they're gobbling their heads off, so I think they're still just barely on the limb. They're gonna fly down any second, so we're hurrying up. Yeah, he's in the woods. I just hope he's not on the edge of this. I know. I hear him. They're gonna see us. On one from this morning, he's hung up in the woods, so I came out and made a call on this field edge and heard him gobbling, so we're trying to make a move onto him, but I don't really know exactly how we're going to do it. That's a big field in the way. Maybe we'll kill a turkey, I don't know. What do you think, Brian? Are we going to kill a turkey?
If you listen to me.
Okay, what are we doing then?
Not going that far up.
Okay. We're not going that far up. Okay, I'm sitting on the rock.
Move it.
Are you focused on this?
Mm-hmm.
Like, clearly focused on
Mm-hmm.
If he comes running in, you gotta be able to zoom back out. Remember? Well, day 2 on going after this bird that hung up on us yesterday. He come running right out of the woods to us when we made our calls once we finally got set up. But what we didn't know was there were 2 other hens coming down the field. And he saw them as soon as he came out, and he thought those were the ones calling to him. So once he got out of the edge of that woods, obviously he didn't want to come any further because he had no reason to. He had his ladies right there. But I talked to the landowner. He said that bird's been in there every day for the past 4 days. So our luck today is that bird's not going to be in there. That's just how my luck goes in turkey season. Hopefully I'm wrong. But if he sticks with his pattern, should be in pretty good shape. I've been dying to hunt a turkey in this exact woods for the past, well, since I got permission for it, so probably 4 or 5 years ago. And past 2 years I've kind of just brushed it off. Didn't even think about it because I haven't seen a bird in there since I've had permission for it. It's a perfect woods for it, but the main reason I haven't seen a bird is because the neighbors just, well, they poach, they trespass, they do lots of not good things. So, but yeah, that's the plan for this morning. It's May 4th. And hopefully I get my first bird of the year. We just ran up town, got a bite of food. On the way back we saw 3 longbeards over that way, kind of working towards this property. So we're going to try and get in front of them. Hopefully they continue coming over this direction. And Brian and I will double up. We are gonna try this again. Another crappy day. Wind, a little bit of mist, and cold. It's like 39 degrees, but going to a spot I haven't been since youth weekend with Connor, so hopefully there's still birds in there. I've been seeing them in the field once in a while there, but Not much. I'm looking at my seat here. My camera made a huge indent on my seat. I don't know why. But yeah, anyways, Brian just showed up, so gonna get in kind of early. Because if they are in there, we might be pretty close to them, depending where they're roosted in the woods. It's a big woods, but like in the fall, they roost pretty much right where we're sitting. But it's about the only place to sit on that property early morning. So, wish us luck, I guess. Hopefully we'll stay warm.
Shooting the front one.
Yeah, that's the only long beard.
Okay. Whatever.
Focused good.
Yep.
Can't shoot him.
Wait. Okay.
I can't.
Whatever. Get him, buddy.
Oh, that looked a lot longer when I was looking at it from up here.
He's a good one.
He's a 2-year-old bird, probably. Maybe 3. I don't know my turkey aging. Got him good. Got him real good. Look at this tree.
Whew. You're lucky.
I was shooting through.
Hey, how do I get this thing off?
Off
The stand.
the needle. And I just got a couple pellets through that tree, I think. I was literally shooting between this little gap right here. His head was lined up in. And, I mean, see from my position, he was right there. This, yeah. So, a bad luck streak ended finally. Beautiful longbeard. I mean, he came in beautiful. As Brian's really his first time running the camera for me. So, hopefully he did pretty good.
I think I did.
We'll see if he was in focus or anything. If not, whatever.
That's one thing I'm sure I was, is in focus.
Well, even if he forgot to press record, I don't really care.
No, I was recording too.
It was about 3 years ago to the day I killed a bird. Not with you, but this is the first bird I've killed myself with you in a long time.
Killing Tree, the last
Killing Tree
one.
was the last one.
In the
and
rainstorm.
That was today too.
No, it was the 7th.
It's on my memories. It's on my Facebook memories. But anyways, new property. New property that I got this year. This is where I killed my gun buck. And actually right about where we're at is where Dad shot his buck.
Tree stand.
And like I said before, we didn't hunt this since youth season. And these birds got hunted hard opening day, as in, when I say hunted hard, the property above us, the guy comes in, and he's legal. It's just not the way most people would do it, or even be okay with doing it, is comes in, parks his truck, he knows right where they roost every day. 5:31 on the dot, which was a half an hour before sunrise. Boom, 10 seconds later, boom, drops 2 longbeard off the roost. Which, that part's not legal. You can't shoot 2 in a day in New York, but that's the only time this gets hunted all year. So I left it sit opening weekend. It's been, I don't know, 10 days since anyone's hunted in here, and it paid off. So we still got quite a bit of time left this morning. Maybe we'll go try and get on another one for Brian. But decent. Brian says 3-year-old bird. Like I said, I don't know how to age turkeys, so if he says it, I'm okay with it. Nice rope on him. I'm freaking pumped. That's awesome. That's awesome. He weighs about 20 on the dot. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, we pretty much did shoot identical birds. Were you recording that entire time?
No, I am now.
Oh. About 8 7/8, I think. Yeah. About 8 7/8 beard.
It's real, but I can't be sure. Now my eyes are bloody.